Welcome back. Winter session of Goa Assembly is set to begin from Monday. Government is ready for a paperless session. Opposition party has welcomed the decision of a high-tech session. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar informed that opposition party is all geared up to counter government during the business.
We have to, go by the requirement of the changing features of the living of the society.
So it's about welcome.
It's just very small session, hardly 3 or 4 day session, but still we have got a strategy, and accordingly to be dealt with by our MLAs sitting in the house.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has updated its existing website and relaunched it on the occasion of Republic Day. Shirodkar informed that Congress MLAs and committee will remain in contact with the people through its website. Party has appealed people to put forth their grievances through this website, which will then be addressed by party forum.
म्हाका सांगत दिसता की लोकांची भावना जी कितें आसा, कार्यकर्त्यांची जी भावना आसा, विचार जे आसात, आणि त्या संबंधी काँग्रेस पक्षाक कितें दिसता, काँग्रेस पक्षाचे विचार कितें आसात, हे आमी लोकांकडे पावोवपाचे प्रयत्न करतले. लोकांची अडचणी जे कितें आसात तेय बीन ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान ताका आमी वाचा फोडपाचे प्रयत्न करतले.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
A passenger bus carrying around 20 passengers collided with Mapsa municipality building on Saturday morning. People claim that the area is an accident-prone zone due to narrow road and traffic congestion. Municipality chairperson has estimated loss of 2 lakh rupees due to the accident. Thankfully, no one was injured in the accident.
It was a fateful day to the driver of the bus. The bus was travelling from Housing Board to Mapsa bus stand. Suddenly, it clashed with the building of Mapsa municipality. There were more than 20 passengers travelling in the bus. 2 of the passengers received minor injuries.
सकाळी बस येताले हाऊसिंग बोर्ड टू आमचे म्हापसा येताले कितें ब्रेक फेल जाले म्हणून अशें सांगता ड्रायव्हर विचारले आनी एक थोड्या लोकांक मातसो मार लागला ताका हॉस्पिटलान घाला आमी पी 108 आनी ड्रायव्हराक विचारले ब्रेक फेल जाला अशें म्हणटा तो बट तरी आसतना आमी चॅक करता.
Chairperson of Mapsa municipality Sudhir Khandulkar said that due to the accident they have suffered loss of 2 lakh rupees.
म्हाका दिसता तो बसीचो ब्रेक फेल जालो आनी तेणी ती हेवटेन मारून घेतली. तेतून आमचे रॅम्प आसलो, रॅम्पाक लागून म्हाका दिसता फुडें कांय जालें ना, बस थंयसरूच थांबली आनी जी आमची AC आहली 2 AC थंय भायल्या वाटेन आहली तेचो ताका सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो. 2 AC आनी आमचे भितरली सिस्टम आहा ती सगळी डिस्ट्रॉय जाल्ली आहा. सादारण अशी 2 लाखाची आमकां लुकसाण जाल्लें.
This area in Mapsa is an accident-prone zone. It has narrow roads with traffic congestion. This accident occurred during the wee hours of Saturday. Meanwhile, a pickpocketer was caught red-handed at Mapsa. He was stripped off by the locals and brutally beaten up.
बस मध्ये चढताना मारले माझे पाकिट काय कळलं मला लक्षात दिलं पाकिट मारताना ते पाकिट मारले का तू म्हणतो तो पळालो ते फटन तू धावलो ते फटन धावून दिले एका गाड्यात लिफ्ट तो गाड्यात भीतर सोडून काढला फटन रोज धावले.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Fatauda MLA Vijay Sardesai has come out strongly against CM Manohar Parrikar on Daboli Airport issue. He expressed anxiety that Daboli Airport will not be operational if the parking land is not allotted to the centre. He has demanded that ICAO should make a feasibility study of 2 airports in Goa.
I challenge the Chief Minister to prove whether the Goa government, whether he or Digambar Kamath before him, have notified the Union Civil Aviation Ministry from 2011 till 2013 now that they have denotified that land. ICAO is a technically sound agency which knows civil aviation. That is my demand that ICAO should make a refeasibility. Now my thing is तुम्ही करपाचे आहात मरे मोबा ICAO पडते कर सांग मरे ते. If that Srivastava is so sure that ICAO has said that 2 airports can survive, let ICAO make a feasibility study, man. Let them make it and do it.
Vijay came out strongly on Goa government and police. He said there is abolition of good governance in Goa after 9 months.
Maka goinche policein and ye sarkaran kainch yena. I have no faith in them, and I have no faith that they can protect the people and give them security.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.